Hello, this is a quick video on a pretty straightforward task about converting units, but you'll be amazed how many people make elementary mistakes just on these unit conversions. So it's worth just taking a step to think about it and practicing it in Tassomai. So if you have a space like this, a shape which is a square meter, it's 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. So we know that it's 1 square meter, but how many square centimeters is it? All you need to think about is, well, let's use the square. That is 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. So instead of being 1 meter by 1 meter is 1 square meter, 100 times 100 is, you could just stick the zeros together, but it's 10,000 square centimeters. So with area, these numbers get very big very fast. But that's the logic, 100 times 100. Nothing to it really. Well, try the same thing with 1 cubic centimeter. If we wanted this in millimeters, well, this is 10 millimeters, isn't it? You just got to think that step every time. So we're going to get 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters. So it's 10 times 10 times 10. That's 1,000 cubic millimeters. So 1 cubic centimeter is the same as 1,000 cubic millimeters. Same idea here, but instead of, we're going to do with a cubic meter, instead of 1 by 1 by 1 cubic meter, we're going to say it's 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. So 100 times 100 times 100 is 100. That is truly 1,000,000 cubic centimeters. So with volumes, these numbers get really, really big, really fast. 1 meter cubed is 1,000,000 cubic centimeters. Maybe think about how many cubic millimeters that is. So you'll want 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000. I think that'd be 1 billion. Okay, hope that was helpful. Thanks very much for watching.